Hello, welcome friends in my channel. Today's video I wanna show you how to get safe mode on Redmi Note 4. So without wasting time, let's go for it. So just switch off your phone. I explain you without wasting time. So just switch off your phone. Just switch off your phone and wait for fully switch off. Now the phone is fully switched off. What next step? So now just switch on the phone, and when the MI logo appears on the screen, you just start the tapping on the fingerprint sensor. It's only way to go in safe mode in Redmi Note 1. No another way available, just it's only way. So I will see you. So just start the phone. Now the logo appears, so just start the tapping on the fingerprint sensor. Don't stop it, just start it. Don't stop it, just start it. Try another any. Friends, you can see that now we in safe mode. Now just we confirm that we in safe mode. So you can see that no installed application available, only pre-installed application available, no I downloaded and installed available. So it's only one way you can go in safe mode. So another way it's not available. So if it not work one time, just try it to second time. If second time not work, just try it to third time. It's not work, so comment your issue on the comment box. Friends, now how to remove safe mode and back to your regular mode. So just you can see that safe mode, and now click on reboot and just wait for some time. Now you can see that I have exit from safe mode and I have enter on regular mode and exit from safe mode. Just wait a second. Now you can see that your application showing. And thanks for watching my video. Please thumbs up a like, share and subscribe